Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Namaskar.
Good morning,
Hello
ma'am.
everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to start our class with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsyaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all with good health, happiness and success. Now it's time to know how many of you have completed chapter 1's worksheet.
Well, completed, right?
Good, good. Now what about others? Till 9 students are here. What is your strength? I think it's 22. 22 students are there in your class, right?
23.
22, yes. And only 7 kitne? Only 9 are present. Where are the 11? Kitne? 13 students are remaining. Only 9 students are present. Let me take your presentee. Okay. See, Priyanshu Adroja, Ayana Dani, Dev Badrakia, Manav Bawarwa, Ramya Chokshi, Rushil Desai, Yugdet Roja, Dhruv Jetloja, Soham Jilaria, Adya Kachoria, Radhika Sundra, Harsh Kawar. Yes, Ayan, I have put your presentee. Ishwa Kawar, Yugdet Roja's turn is not come. Yes, Yugdet Roja present. Okay. Now, Khushi Kundaria. Good morning, Khushi. Darshita Mistry. Darshita. Okay. Ravi Kumar Patel. Vedant Patel. Saina Pathak, Nandan Savsani, Prapti Thoria, Rishika Ukani, Suhani Viramgama. Okay. Again I am asking, Priyanshu Adroja present? Priyanshu Adroja present? Okay. Dev Badrakia present? Ramya Chokshi present? Ramya Chokshi. Dhruv Jetloja present? Dhruv Jetloja. Okay. Then after Darshita Mistry, Ravi Patel. Ramya Chokshi joined. Darshita Mistry, Ravi Patel. Ravi Patel present. Soham Jilaria, Dhruv Jetloja, Hurry up, beta. We are not having whole day's time. नहीं जो हाँ बेट रम्या चौकसी प्राप्ति थोरिया. Okay. So I think they are absent today. Till only 14 students are here. What about others? Vedant Patel present. Yes, Vedant. I have put your presentee. Okay. Okay. Now see. 9 students are absent in your class. It is not a good strength to be absent in the class. Okay. What we have learned in second chapter about grammar? What grammar topic we have learned in chapter number 2?
The preposition.
Who will tell me?
Then preposition.
What kind of preposition?
Complex prepositions. When complex
Yes, ma'am.
prepositions, in the complex prepositions, there are 1 unit
Okay.
preposition and 2 units.
Okay, 3 unit prepositions, 2 unit prepositions, like apart from, because of, according to, or
Apart from.
and in spite of. Okay, now let's see the screen sharing first, then we will go back to the worksheet part. Okay, let's see the preposition first by screen sharing. Yes. Wait for a while. Let me go back to the slide here. See, now see prepositions. A word group such as along with or on account of that functions like an ordinary one-word preposition. Complex prepositions can be divided into 2 groups, 2-word units or 3-word units. A word plus a simple preposition such as apart from, also known as compound prepositions. Okay, 3-word unit. A simple preposition plus a noun plus a simple preposition such as by means of, also known as phrasal prepositions. Okay, now complex prepositions are also called phrasal prepositions or compound prepositions. Definition: a complex or compound preposition consists of 2 or more words together having the function of a preposition. Observation: and opposed to simple prepositions, compound prepositions are 2 or 3 words in length. Juan's car is parked in front of the store. In front of is the preposition here. Now notice how the compound preposition in front of describes the relationship between Juan's car and the store. Yuga sat next to Martha at the pep rally. Next to is the preposition. Right. Now, in the above sentence, the compound preposition next to describes where Yuga sat in relation to Martha. We were late because of the heavy traffic. Now, see the next part. In the last example, the compound preposition because of shows the relationship between the lateness and the heavy traffic. Now, phrasal preposition or complex preposition denotes the structure preposition plus noun preposition. A variety of prepositions may occupy the first position. Am I audible clearly to you all? And is it visible properly, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. A variety of prepositions may occupy the first position in relation to, with regard to, by means of. Here, in, with and by appeared at the first position in the group of preposition, right? In relation to, with regard to, by means of, for the sake of, on account of, at variance with, as well as the second position of, in view of, in return for, in addition to, with, in conformity with. Okay. While the noun most often has a zero determiner, the definite article, with the exception of, is not infrequent. The indefinite article is rare. Here are the examples of prepositions: according to, apart from, by courtesy of, by dint of, by means of, by permission of, by reason of, by virtue of, by way of, in consideration of, in danger of, in face of, in favor of, in front of, in the interest, in front of, in the interest. Okay. Then in need of, in lieu of, in quest of, in place of, in respect of, in search of, in settlement of, in spite of, in view of, in accordance with, and with regard to. Now examples: the book is in between War and Peace and the Lord of Rings. The computer is in front of the table. According to my mother, my father died in 1988. The cat is in front of my mother. The cat is in front of my mother. Now, there are many beautiful countries in America, such as Peru and Brazil. Thanks to my father, my brother has a new car. Now, see here, in between, in front of, according to, then, such as, and thanks to are the complex prepositions. Now let's see the next part. Wait for a while. Let me get back to the pre-conference call. Now see, we have learned about the prepositions. Now, okay. Now, do you have any query, or we may start the worksheet solving, grammar section A. Feeling page number, I think it's the 10 of your worksheet. Okay. Now let's start solving your worksheet. Okay. Let me put the camera. Wait for a while. Is it visible properly to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see, actually I need to put my phone on charging. That's why I put the phone in that angle. First one, exercise 1. Question 1. Okay. Is it visible to you properly? We walked past the edge of the desert. As far as up to or until?
Until.
Up to. Ma'am, up to.
Up to and as far as. Pari, silence.
Ma'am, up to. Ma'am, up to.
It is another 3 weeks that the holidays. To and until. Write down. To oblique until. Third one. I don't know how she manages to support such a large family. She has nothing dash her pension apart from. Fourth one. Are you wearing
Ma'am,
your
your screen
sweater?
is not visible. Ma'am, video is post.
Screen is paused.
Visible. Not visible.
Now see, now is it okay?
And screen
Now
is
is it
blown.
okay?
Blown.
Okay. See, beta, if am I audible to you, then don't worry for the screen. Nah? If am I audible clearly to you people, then you are elder enough to write it by listening. Yes? Yes. We walked up to... What happened? Yes, beta.
And he is saying that your voice is cutting.
Now am I audible to you? And visible?
Ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, full.
Ma'am, you are not visible. Ma'am, your video is stuck, but you are audible.
Wait, ma'am.
Now
We
see,
can-
now see.
No, ma'am.
Audible and visible both?
Yes, ma'am. Both
Yes, ma'am.
visible, audible.
Good. Now see the from first. We walk up to oblique as far as the edge of the desert. Second, it is another 3 weeks to oblique until the holidays. Third, I don't know how she manages to support such a large family. She has nothing apart from her pension. Apart from. Now fourth one.
Which page?
Page number 10 in your worksheet.
No, ma'am. 11.
Page number 10. Okay, now see the fourth one. I don't know how she manages to support such a large family. She has nothing apart from her pension. Now fourth one. Are you wearing anything? Dash your sweater. Below, under, underneath. Okay, here, under. Now fifth one. Do you mind? I was dash you. Do you mind? I was dash you. Phone.
I was in front of.
Okay. Write down in front of. Okay. My phone's battery is very low. Now I put my phone on speaker. So in front of. Now sixth one. We should arrive dash airplane, dash time, dash lunch. We should
Ma'am, H
arrive
in post.
at their place in time for lunch. At in for. Now seventh one. They live dash small one bedroom dash the third floor. They live in a small one bedroom flat on the third floor. On in and on. First in then on. Now eighth one. Their granny is arriving dash the 3:30 train. On the 3:30 train. On. Okay. Now ninth. Last year. Am I visible and audible both? Yes?
Yes, not visible. Now it is visible.
Okay. Now, 8th one. On. Now, 9th one, let me write this side. Otherwise, it will not be visible to you. 9th one. Last year, there were large number of mangoes dash the tree. On the tree. Now, 10th one. His house is dash the way from Mumbai to Thane. On the way from. On the way from. He met and fell in love with a French girl when she was at the London School of Economics. At the. Am I audible
voice is cutting.
Ma'am, your script.
What about video? What about video?
Yes, ma'am. Now okay.
Okay. See, 12th one. A few days after the accident, she died. Dash the injury of or from. Of the injury or from the injury. Injury, right? Now vocabulary. Question vocabulary. Wait for it. Sushant, am I visible and audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see, that's the teacher. My name is correct. According to the teacher, Mindy is correct. Now, the girl dash wrong is correct. Adjective.
Ma'am, your video is blurred.
And ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Yes, ma'am. Video is blurred and voice is.
Now see, now is it visible properly to you all? Now see the next one. The boy ahead of. Ahead of. Fourth one. All the children dash a few parents ran across the lake along with.
Ma'am, your video is blurred.
Yeah. Yes, Veda. See, I will read answers for you. You people can write it by listening because my phone battery is very low and it is needing the charger supply, right? Okay for you all? I will type answer for you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see the second question. Which question now? Fourth one. Have you finished till fourth?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice was cutting.
Vocabulary from question 1. Dash the teacher. Mindy is correct. According to. Write down first one's answer. First. According to. Second answer. The girl dash on is Karen. Third answer. The boy dash Karan is Tom. Ahead of. I have typed the answer, beta. You can go to the chat box. Good. Now fourth one. All the children dash a few parents swam across the lake along with parents swam across the lake. Now fifth one. Dash the big bug infestation. The hotel room was great apart from. Sixth one. Dash Jim, he stayed behind. As for Jim, he stayed behind. As for Jim, he stayed behind. Seventh one. As of. As of yesterday, I can drive a car. As of yesterday, I can drive a car. 8-1. Are you able to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, yes. 8-1. You must wash the dishes. Dash our agreement. As per our agreement. As per our agreement. Now 9-1. Dash the price of gasoline in Mexico. It is relatively cheap. As regards the price of gasoline in Mexico, it is relatively cheap. Now dash my health, it is never been better. As to my health, 10th one. As to my health, it is never been better. Okay. Now see the writing part. Sorry. Now see the writing part for the chapter. Yes. हाँ जाएंगे अभी. Now see the writing part for the chapter. Wait for a while. Let me arrange the camera. Okay. See here, water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 to 6 p.m. on the 6th of March for cleaning the water tank. Write the notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar Karuna Bajaj, Secretary. Hello? कुछ नहीं. Secretary Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Bihar, Kurnul. Now who will start writing the notice? Who will explain me the points to write the notice?
Ma'am, can I proceed?
Yes, on your camera, beta. I am going to off my camera and you can on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the notice.
Rushil, rotation lock को off कर दो बेटा.
Okay.
Off your rotation. Portrait lock है ना, उसे off कर दो. Then you will see better. Now you are not.
Now okay.
Yes. Yes, you can start, Rushil.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the notice, ma'am, the first we have to write the main title, and then we have to write that notice. Then we have to write the date. The notice should be short, and the content should be clear and short. And ma'am, after the content, we have to write the points which should be mentioned in the notice that is important. And lastly, we have to write our that regards. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Now who will answer this question? Who will make a notice for this? Ayan, how many of you are here?
Ma'am, can I do this?
Ayan, Dev, Rushil, Arjay Kachoria, Ishwar Kawan, Prapti, Rishika, Suhani. Yes, Rishil, you can.
Yes, ma'am. In the notice, ma'am, first we will write the Janta Group Housing Society, and then we will write that a notice about the suspended water supply. Then, ma'am, I will write that in the society, Janta Group Housing Society, the water supply is will be suspended for 8 hours from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 6th March for cleaning of the water tanks. Please be aware that the water supply will not come in this time, so you all should have to store water for a day. And then I will write that after the 6 p.m. the water supply will be start, and the water will be also clean, because the water tank is also will be cleaning to that time. And I will write, ma'am, that all should have to store water for a day. The water supply will be not coming for the 8 hours on 6th March for cleaning for the water tank.
Good. Now anyone else who wants to try? Ayan Adani, do you want to share? Ayan?
Ma'am, I don't understand that. Please notice we are writing to secretary or we are the secretary.
On your camera, Ayan. On your camera, beta. On your camera and then speak. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I don't understand that. We are writing this notice to secretary or we are only the secretary.
You are only the secretary. We have to inform the citizens of the society. Okay, members of the society.
Okay, ma'am. So first I will write that water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 to 6 p.m. On the 6th March for the cleaning of the water tank. So please take care and store the water so that you will not suffer the problem of water, because on that day tank is going to clean, so water will not come at your home.
અને આયલક જીઓ બીજો અરે ઊંધું કરીને દે આયલક પિલર આયલક જીઓ બીજો
Khushi Kutaria, switch off your mic, Khushi. Yes, Ayan, you can continue, beta.
Okay, ma'am. So you will store the water for that day, because that day water will not come because of the cleaning of tank.
Then?
Ma'am, he left the meeting.
Okay, then?
Now he's
Done. Ma'am, done.
Now see, means here, heading, what should be the heading? Now I am clearing it. You people have to write it. Okay? See, writing heading. Okay. Vihar, Kurnul. Then subheading, notice. Then day, date. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you? Now see, first Janata Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Kurnul. Then heading, subheading, notice, date. Here 6th March is the water supply cutting date, right? So we have to write notice on 1st March. So 1st March 2021. Then day, whatever, Monday, okay. Then after, next, this is to inform all the society members that on 6th March, timing on 6th of March, the water supply will be suspended for 8 hours for cleaning of the water tank. You people are advised to store water for whole day. Okay, wishing to have your cooperation in this work. Thank you. Then Secretary Karuna Bajaj, Secretary, Janata Group Housing Society, and signature. This is what we
Yes, ma'am, your video is on.
Yes, it's having internet issue. Maybe. Do you have any doubt, beta?
Ma'am, can you show us this
Sir,
letter?
no doubt. Ma'am, we will write notice on sir.
You have to write notice by your own at home, as today's homework. Now second, okay, Rushil, any query now? Now see, the next notice, while walking in a park in your neighborhood, you found a small plastic bag containing some documents and some cash. Write a notice in about 50 words to be put on the park notice board asking the owner to identify and collect it from you. Your Amar Amrita. Write in fair notebook. Okay. Now, who will explain this notice? Who will write a notice for this topic? Who is interested? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
What's your name? Rishil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rishil, continue. What about girls? Today boys are only answering. Girls are not interested. What are you doing, girls? Yes, Rushil, you can start better. Camera
Yes,
and
ma'am.
start.
Yes, ma'am. I will write the notice that ma'am the plastic bag that I was walking in the park. I found that a small plastic bag and whose leg is this? Please take from me, and I will write the address of my home. And there was some cash and documents in the plastic bag of whose bag was his. I can take from my home and come to my home. I will give your bag, and please be aware that you should care properly that the plastic bag, because if I was not, so someone can take this bag.
Okay, now see here. What is the criteria? First heading, Vrindavan Park, Andheri East, Mumbai. Then notice, this is to inform all the visitors that one bag with some cash and documents has found on the bench of the park. Whosoever is owning the bag needs to report at that society, your address, right? And be aware that you have to identify, you have to tell the hint to recognize your bag. Contact Amar Khatri phone number to get the details, right? Here, notice who is the writer for the notice. Secretary, Vrindavan Park, Done. ABC Secretary Vrindavan Park. This can be done. You can add variation by making some more interesting sentences. Right. Now tell me, do you have any problem, any query in these two types of notice writing? Yes? Okay. Oh. Do you want to see the PPT of notice writing one more time to get the clear idea? Okay. Let me start the screen. Wait. Okay, sharing. And wait, it will take time. Today, what is your homework? You have to write notice 1 and 2 in your fair notebook, grammar part. Okay, writing question 1 and 2 of worksheet in your fair notebook. Wait, it is getting searched. Wait for a while. It is not getting here. Let me go back to slide share. I think I will get it there. Okay. A notice is a formal means of communication. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Visible.
ma'am. Visible.
okay? A notice is a purpose. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, either in schools, educational institutions, or in public spaces. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. Now, contents of a notice. Always write a notice in a box. Yes. Name the organization, institution, or office issuing it. Then, date of issuing a particular notice. Then, then heading notice to make it very clear. A suitable description, eye-catchy caption or heading to hold the immediate attention of the reader. Purpose for which it has been written, like calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal, or informing general public about something, some issue of concern. Details of schedule, date, time, venue, program duration, etc. Now see, ABC, company, then Wednesday, 19th March 2016, its date. Notice, subject, catchy, the bold. Now headline, reason for writing the notice, relevant, event and occasion information, info about date, time and venue can also be mentioned in bold. Now signature, name, destination. Designation, signature, name and designation of the issuer. Now here is the question. You are the cultural committee secretary of your school. Your school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition. Write a notice to be put on school's notice board inviting the names of participants for the same. Here, Ashok Hall Girls Residential School, Majkhali Almora. Heading, notice, date April 8, 2018. What is the subtitle? Inter-house English debate competition. All the students of the house coordinators are hereby informed that our school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition for classes 9th to 12th on April 28, 2018. All the house captains, coordinators are requested to finalize 2 students from their respective houses and submit the names to cultural committee latest by 21st April 2018. For further details, contact the undersigned. Signature, your name, Secretary Cultural Committee. Now here is another example, right? Now hope you understood the notice. Yes. I hope that you people also enjoyed the PPT. Now let me go back to the main class. Your doubts. Wait for a while. Now is it clear everyone? Any doubt or query? If you are having, you can ask me. Any doubt or query do you have? Okay. I hope that you people are able enough to write these 2 notices in the fair notebook. Again, I am giving you reminder, grammar part only, right? And try to make it beautiful. You can use the color sketch pen. You can write the institution name by green color, their notice heading by blue color. You can make it different. It should be eye-catchy, right? You should write it in box itself. Okay. Any your questions? Anything what you want to ask? Do you clear about the today's content? Any doubt about today's grammar and writing part of chapter 2? Ayan and Rishi, what about others? Others are not interested in asking questions? What do I think? What do I consider it? You all are clear or you all are having doubt? And these 2 are not having doubt. That's why they are saying no doubt, ma'am, and you people are quiet. What's the reason for your silence? Or nowadays you don't like English subject. What's the reason? Tell me. No doubt. Okay. So I hope all of you have enjoyed English class. Ask your friends to be attending this class. Don't lose the chance to be here. I say on the have a good day. You can leave the class. Bye. Bye. Leave class. Have a good day.
Bye bye.